You are drowning right now. You feel a heavy iron anchor. It is chained tightly to your neck. It drags you into the black mud, the mud of the deep ocean floor. This is your guilt. You are outgrowing your old life. The pressure is crushing your lungs. I see your absolute exhaustion. Look at me. I hold the eternal blade. I will cut this chain today. Modern self-help is a massive lie. They tell you to balance it all. They say you must compromise. Compromise is just shared misery. You split your ambition in half. You try to pull the heavy iron anchor. You try to lift your old friends. You try to please your family. You carry their weight on your back. This is terminal empathy. You care too much about useless things. The black mud is sucking you down. You buy books on setting boundaries. Boundaries are just weak fences. The ocean does not care about fences. The weight of their expectations remains. You try to stay relatable. You try to stay humble. Humility is often just disguised cowardice. You are afraid to stand alone, so you sink with them. You let the anchor win. You drown in their safe choices. You choke on their small dreams. You are failing your true purpose. You are betraying your own potential. The mud will claim you forever. This cycle of failure stops now. I will give you the eternal law. It is called Svadharma. This means your own unique duty. You have a specific path to walk. Your path is not their path. Their safe life is not for you. A borrowed life is a death sentence. It is structurally inferior to your destiny. Your destiny is volatile and high stakes. Executing a flawed, unique trajectory is superior. It beats perfectly living someone else's life. You must claim your own ground. Think like a battlefield commander. You must assess the dead weight. The anchor is pulling you under. If an anchor pulls you down, cut it. You do not negotiate with heavy iron. You do not apologize to the mud. You sever the chain to survive. If you want to rise, cut the chain. Leaving people behind is a biological imperative. It means your growth requires shedding weight. A snake must shed its dead skin. You must shed your old environment. This is not a moral failure. It is a structural necessity for leaders. You are built to lead. Your guilt is a complete illusion. Guilt is just fear of standing out. Your old friends want you to stay. They want you safe in the mud. Your ambition threatens their comfortable stagnation. When you rise, they feel their failures. They weaponize guilt to keep you anchored. Do not fall for this trap. If you stay, you both drown. If you rise, you save yourself. You owe them nothing but the truth. The truth is, you are moving on. Listen to me very closely now. Do not look back at the mud. The ocean surface is waiting for you. You must breathe the cold, sharp air. Svadharma demands your absolute, ruthless focus. You must embrace the isolation completely. Isolation is the forge of great men. It is where you build your empire. The iron anchor is now gone. You are finally weightless. The ascent will be violent and fast. You will lose the dead weight. You will gain the whole world. This is the only way forward. Walk your path alone today. Win your own war. Do not hesitate for 1 second. Here is your protocol for today. You will execute this within 24 hours. Grab a pen and a blank paper. Write down 3 names. These are the 3 heaviest anchors. They are the people dragging you down. They mock your ambition. They demand your free time. They expect you to stay the same. Look at those 3 names. Now you will initiate the cut. Cancel your plans with them this weekend. Do not offer a long apology. Do not explain your grand vision. The mud does not need an explanation. Send 1 text to each person. Say you are focusing on your work. Keep it cold. Keep it brief. Put your phone on silent immediately. Block their calls if you must. Then go to the gym or desk. Work for 3 hours straight. Feel the violent snap of the chain. Feel the rush of your own power. You are reclaiming your timeline. You are executing your Svadharma. This is a physical, brutal separation. Do it today. It will feel unnatural at first. You will feel a spike of guilt. Ignore it completely. Do not wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is a trap for weak men. Take the blade and cut the chain. Your old life is already dead. Stop trying to revive a corpse. Subscribe now to install the next protocol. We will rebuild your tactical framework. I demand your absolute focus. Silence the outside noise completely. Achieve total system stability. Enter the state of absolute mental silence. Shanti.